Let us discuss how fractional numbers are represented on number line. We know that fractional numbers include proper and improper fractions. Let us understand how proper fractions are represented on number line. Now, proper fractions. We know that proper fractions are the fractions where numerator is less than denominator. So we can take the examples as 2 by 4, 3 by 5, 5 by 8, and so on. In 2 by q, numerator 2 is less than denominator 4. Similarly, in 3 by 5, 3 is less than 5. And in 5 by 8, 5 is less than 8. In order to represent these proper fractions on number line, we need to find their values first. So 2 by 4 is equal to 0.5. 3 by 5 is equal to 0.6. And 5 by 8 is equal to 0.625. So when we see their values, 2 by 4 is equal to 0.4, 3 by 5 is equal to 0.6, and 5 by 8 is equal to 0.625. It means the value of proper fractions is greater than 0, but it is less than 1. So their value ranges between 0 and 1. Let us represent these proper fractions on number line. First, 2 by 4. How can we represent 2 by 4 on number line? Since we know that value of proper fractions vary between 0 and 1, so we need only this part of number line in order to represent these proper fractions. अगर हमें 2 by 4 इस नंबर लाइन पर दिखाना होगा तो हम इस पार्ट को 0 to 1 पार्ट को 4 बराबर हिस्सों में बांट देंगे. So we will divide this part into 4 equal parts. जो पहला पॉइंट होगा ये डिजिग्नेट करेगा पहला पार्ट आउट ऑफ 4 पार्ट्स. So second number will denote 2 by 4, second part out of 4 parts. Similarly ये जो तीसरा पॉइंट होगा ये 3 by 4 को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. चौथा जो पॉइंट है ये 4 by 4 को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. अब हमें दिखाना है 2 by 4 इस नंबर लाइन पे. सो सेकंड पॉइंट विल डिनोट 2 by 4. अगर अब हमें 3 by 5 को रिप्रेजेंट करना होगा नंबर लाइन पे, पहले हम नंबर लाइन को ड्रा करेंगे. उसके बाद जो पार्ट 0 और 1 के दरमियान आता है हम इस पार्ट को 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स में बांट देंगे. वी विल divide this part into 5 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the first point will denote first part out of 5 parts or one part out of 5 parts. जो दूसरा पॉइंट होगा ये डिनोट करेगा सेकंड 2 by 5, थर्ड 3 by 5, fourth 4 by 5 and fifth 5 by 5. So we have to denote 3 by 5. We have to show 3 by 5 on this number line. So third point, 1, 2 and third point, this will denote 3 by 5. इसी तरह अगर हमें 5 by 8 को रिप्रेजेंट करना होगा नंबर लाइन पे तो हम कैसे दिखाएंगे? कौन सा पॉइंट रिप्रेजेंट करेगा 5 by 8 को नंबर लाइन पे? ये नंबर लाइन है, ये 0 है, ये 1 है. हमें प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस में सिर्फ ये पार्ट की जरूरत पड़ती है. So we will divide this part into 8 equal parts. जो डिनोमिनेटर होगा उतने ही पार्ट्स हम करेंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So fifth point will denote 5/8. ये डिनोट करेगा 1/8, ये 2/8 को, 3/8 को, 4/8 को, and this fifth point will denote 5/8. This is how. Now let us understand how improper fractions can be represented on number line. We know that improper fractions are those fractions where numerator is greater than denominator. So we can take few examples of improper fractions as 3/2. Here 3 is greater than 2, so this is improper fraction. Similarly 7/3. 7/3 is also improper fraction. And another improper fraction is 8/3, because here 8 is greater than 3. Before representing these numbers on number line, we need to convert them into mixed fractions. So 3/2, while converting into a mixed fraction, it will become 1/2. 7/3, on converting into a mixed fraction, it will become 3 to 6 and 1 7. 2 1/3. 8/3 will become 3 to 6 to 8 to 2/3. When we see the mixed fraction for the improper fraction, it contains a natural number and a proper fraction, a natural number and a proper fraction, a natural number and a proper fraction. So to understand their representation on number line, let us take the example of these numbers. First, let us represent 3/2 on number line. This is number line 0 1 2 3, and similarly on the left side -1 -2, etc. So 3/2 contains 1 and 1/2. It contains 1 completely, and next to this 1/2 is after 1, so we have to divide this, the part after 1, into 2 equal parts. So we will divide this into 2 equal parts, this part that lies after 1. So this point will represent 1 and 1/2, because it is after this first part. Now if we have to represent 7/3 to 1/3, 7/3 is equal to 1/3. To represent 7/3 on number line, we will draw a line, represent different points on it. So this 7/3 contains 2 complete number, that is this part contains completely, and 1/3. So 1/3 lies after 2. So we can divide this part, that part which is after 2, into 3 equal parts, 1 2 and 3. So first part will denote 7/3. Similarly, to represent another improper fraction on number line 8/3, first it is mixed fraction will be 2/3. So to represent this on number line, we will draw a number line. As it is mixed fraction contains 2 completely, so this part it contains completely, and 2/3 will be after 2. So after 2 we will we will divide this part into 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. So this dot, yeah, or this point will denote 2 1 by 3, this will denote 2 2 by 3, and this will denote 2 3 by 3. So we have to represent 2 2 by 3. So this point represents 2 2 by 3, which is also equal to 8 by 3. So we can say that in order to represent improper fraction as a number line, we have to first convert these improper fractions into mixed numbers. Thank you.